First, I fry the salmon fish, and then when it's turned it brown, I put the tomato on it. It's just the same as it's ceviche in Philippines, but after with this one, I will put it to steam. Okay, hope you enjoy and eating. Kids love it. Thank you. Bye bye. We transfer for the one to for steaming, and then we put it for steam until it will cook, and the tomato will be very soft, so the kids will love it. The juice of the tomato. Here. Yes. Like that one. Okay. And then for steam. While the rice is it's cooked now, and it's ready to eat later. See the tomato is very soft already, so the juice come out already, so that is good already. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.